ole so pite ho tu na bana Sunday chu sahi mel chi na ham ahi le Bible in sahi mel chi na chu nikhwa se ham Sunday Saturday Monday ti ase ham ole iti ase ham Bible a konin hichaga hil chet na dinga chun sahim i het anga jin sahim ti hi koi ham ti he nu nga e chutia Sunday chu sahim mel chi na hi a hi le hichilaya sahim chu Sunday mel chi na hi ti a sabat nit hon asei na ji pen ta u chu ama ho hin pop Catholic pop hi sahima agel ji u hi he chun pop hi sahima agel ji ovin Sunday kiti hi pop thunei na a ko na hungki mangcha a hi ji inle Catholic Roman Catholic ngo thunei na hungki mangcha hi ji a hi ri Sunday mang ho zo se hi pop sahim chu amel chi na anei hi tai ti a pan sapai pai hi ji ohem sahim apot het na dingin pop a hi la hi lo jong i sei chi na ding hian lang Sunday chu sahim mel chi na ham hi lo ham ti sei chi dingin dong hilaya hin chom lang jenga iga kai khom di win video saulun be asaw be se lo na dingin
Antichrist kiti Krista do pa hi Daniel bung sagi le thupun bung som le thumle bung som sagi no ahin kichin ten a ki chin theizen ai masang laya chu pagan Rome's kiti le papal Rome kiti mangcha hi Satan in hobung sung Christian hola hi persecution na satan na hin to a hi le hobung chu sunim ta sangin hobung lengam chu keli che che no min Satan in ani tingzo po ni e chum persecution a Satan in pathin mi te khamzo lo het phat in a strategy hin khelen e chun hobung papal Rome kiti achun Satan hi vanti limle melbang ahung pan sata in hobung sunga ahin pathin min putho Jesu Krista min putho Christian min putho ai wanga asung langa achon athu se la sayo si ju pathin dan thu to kido mit am ga mo het do chi the hitalo khata hi doctrine hi hung pan sa hi ta nei ye chun Satan Catholic Church hung pan sa ke pathin Christian kam sunga doctrine phalo tam ta ang lut tai vet sa na ding chun persecution ta hi an lang jong le doctrine pathin do nai hong ki pan ta in vet san ning chun milim ho na ho ain pulut tan church sunga idi chun pathin saints lim ho Mary lim ho idolize bol ho za chum chong lut ta in aman ta le e pop infallibility kiti pop hi thil sukil thai poi pop hi pathin to ki bang hi Bible bangai chono hi in ain la pop min ase dung zo Bible ki ji hi tia pop hi pathin to ki bangliwa gial na thei doctrine jong ahong lut ta nei chuting le hui sita ta khat adang ho chi phem ti gi te ngai le praying for the dead kiti ho na aban tal indulgence kiti ho aban tal confession of sins to the pope kiti ho na aban le Sunday ni khu thieng nit no hi ti ho doctrine ho hi hung ki pana hi ta in mi na hi tai ga vet dinga chu koi ma chain chi hi pathin mi a hi poin pathin mi lo hi poi ta se khan thei dong hi talo na lim chi vele Christian min po a hoi tho phana phajing gan thei vai cha ngai ngai lu tho ai wa doctrine pathin dan thu do nai Satanin ho bung sunga hin pu lut pi hi ta nei ya chi vet ti ngai le chi no tin no hin wa nu le si pom pi hi aleng pi zuwa a kham ngol sai dai ti chu ki chin sana Bible prophecy chun ai hil chi no he hi ta bang ho bung chu pathin tun do ho bung hi thei pon tin Satan tun do hiding hi ti hi ka sei do no ma he aye chu Daniel bung si chang som ni langa na achana sein hi chileng pa chun kumjong dan thu jong hin khial ding ati hi chu Catholic Church in ki chi sela ain gui thun sa hi ya chu Roman Catholic Church si Antichrist Church sa hi ti tu na ka sei do no me hi chi hi kein ka sei jing dan in la hi win lang masang lai Church reformer ma so zo silong Catholic Church si Antichrist hi ti ki chin sela ni sei jing sa he ye chun evidence proof na ding in church reformer ho in bom hi Antichrist ti now evidence ho hi neu cha cha hin sim do in kate ama spena ding in John Wycliffe ama hi Catholic scholar ni in ama na sei na chun we suppose that Antichrist the head of all the evil men is the Pope of Rome aniti na hi Fox Books of Martyr page 19 achana sei jana he ani na John Hus kiti 1372 to 1415 ke ka anum pa Fox Book of Martyrs, page 19, mama chinitin sekinin. The Pope is the Antichrist, of whom it is written that he is seated in the temple of God among the people where Christ is worshipped. Atin ay. Amale Martin Luther, ihat so in reformal ladinga na sa pen. The teaching of the supremacy of the Pope shows the forcefully that the Pope is very Antichrist, who is exalted above and oppose himself against Christ. Atin ay. Amale John Calvin, amahin asay kit nachun, Daniel and Paul had predicted the Antichrist would sit in the temple of God. We affirm him to be Pope. Ati English pawa kisimi ihat so kedo kata asenin mijaw siya 𝐾𝐍𝐓 ba educated ihiso kay tavin English pawa hello yung Pope ni John Calvin jong Pope hi Antichrist hi ati ay abale Thomas Cranmer chun hidden saykin in Work of Cranmer book volume 1 page 6 to 7 achun amay Anglican hon hi in hidden saying whereof it follow Rome to be the seat of Antichrist and the Pope to be very Antichrist himself ati ay abala John Knox kiti the Work of John Knox lekha bu achun hidden saying yeah, we doubt not to prove the kingdom of Pope to be the kingdom and power of Antichrist. And iti na he. Aman le Roger William, ama he America da Baptist pastor masapen he in ama chan say na. Pastor William spoke of the Pope as the pretended vicar of Christ on earth, who sits as God over the temple of God, exalting himself not only above all that is called God, but over the soul and conscience of all his vessels. Yea, over the spirit of Christ atin eh. Yan sa Pope hi Antichrist kitia kitsi ta na saykin eh. Man let John Wesley, Methodist pastor pajun tin na saykin in Antichrist and his 10 kingdom. Ti achun alekha bu achun tin na saykin eh. He it is that exalted himself above all that is called God, or that is worship, claiming the highest power, or that is worship, claiming the highest power is the Pope of Rome. In kitsi ta na say na eh abalan akon the Westminster Confession of Faith kiti hosan hitin na saving there is no other head of the church but the Lord Jesus Christ atin eh nor can the Pope of Rome in any sense be the head thereof but is the Antichrist ati Jesu Krista tilo hobung lubu koy mam theipon Roma Pope jong hi theipon Antichrist hi ati ya chu so piteho hi chu hi in Roman Catholic le Pope hi Bible in kitsin sera Antichrist hi chu historical base le biblical base kahin sei do nom cho hi in kay ma ngai dan ka sei poi ti ka sei do nom hi